Hello, what is up everybody, RL57 here, back with yet another diecast car video, and today I'll be reviewing two random new diecast models which I'm gonna show you right now. So these two are some diecast models that I have and that I'm gonna review today, and these are both actually from the Barbie movie. So yeah, in conjunction with the Barbie movie that just came out a few weeks ago, or maybe by now, maybe months ago by the time of releasing this video. And yeah, we did manage to watch the Barbie movie. Obviously many people managed to watch it, and overall, to me personally, the movie is quite great. Just that yeah, well, if you're a Hot Wheels fan, then maybe you'll say that it has a lack of cars, but yeah, judging by the amount of cars in the movie, I would say many duplicates, but still it's quite a variety as well. I mean, you have the 2024 GMC Hummer EV right now. Let's see here. You have the 2024 GMC Hummer EV, and obviously the highlight, the 1956 Corvette. Now, well, two great cars, but then there's a slight twist. Both of them are actually EVs, so quite a big change, to be honest. I was expecting there will be at least a gas-powered car, but nope, both of them are EVs. Didn't expect this one to be an EV, to be honest, until I saw it in the trailer, and basically it doesn't have any sound. I mean, it does quite have a sound, the EV sound obviously, but still it looks pretty odd, as it's a classic car, yet it has an EV motor. And the other fact is, both of these cars are now available in Forza Horizon 5, which basically I play, and both of them sound like EVs, so basically they are actually EVs. Now, yeah, quite disappointment that they are EVs, but yeah, moving on to this video, let me just mention that this car is number 183 out of 250, the Corvette EV. Moving on, the GMC Hummer EV is 84 out of 250. So let's go ahead and open these up. We'll start off from the right. So we'll open up the Corvette first, as yeah, it is more to a highlight, and many people are a fan of this Barbie Corvette. Now here it is, and obviously pink, as you might expect it already. Yeah, here it is in pink as its first color. And yeah, I forgot to mention, this is a new casting for the Barbie movie, obviously. And yeah, it looks sick. You do have the matte pink paint scheme, which I do really like. Other than that, you do have its classic old, sort of like the classic Corvette livery on it, basically like that. I don't know, it's like a white thingy at the side. I don't know, it's like the white curve on the side of the door, which is pretty nice, that classic look to it. And yeah, another thing is, it does have disc wheels, which I'm gonna talk about after this. And yeah, let's go ahead and check out the main part of the car. So yeah, here it is, the Barbie Corvette EV. Now this is in matte pink, like I said. I love the fact that they've painted the whole car matte pink, minus the side, which has this sort of like detail of the side of the car, where it has sort of like this white and white stripe with sort of like a dark brown accent. Is that brown, or is it more like yellowish dark gold? I'm not entirely sure. Maybe dark brown or maybe dark yellow, as a bit of an accent on the side. It does say Chevrolet, I believe. Chevrolet, yes, it does say Chevrolet on the side right there, which is quite small, to be honest. So you do have the chrome metallic, I mean, you do have the chrome disc wheels, which yes, the rims are discs, as you can tell. And these are not the first, but still, it looks a bit odd, but still yeah, quite okay, as this is more to a classic model, which is fine. So you do have the front headlights, which are pretty cool. You do have the front grille accents as well. License plate, what does it say? Barbie. So Front license plate mentions Barbie, which is pretty cool. And yeah, it says Chevrolet again. You do have the front, I believe front trunk. Is it? As it doesn't really have an engine. I know the back has a trunk. I mean a trunk, sorry. Oh, this is the front. That's the trunk, I believe so. And windshield, small windshield, but still pretty fine. I mean, their heads would be sticking out of the windshield as well. So quite useless of a windshield, to be honest, actually. Interior, fully white. It looks pretty good. And by the way, the interior is plastic, by the way. The white interior looks pretty nice, just that they don't really have any extra details on the interior. As obviously this is not car culture or anything, so don't expect much from the interior or anything. I do not see any rear lights or anything, nor license plate at the back, but yeah, it is Mattel. What can you say? They do like to cut costs on making diecast casting. So what does it say right here? 1956. 56 Corvette, or also known as the Barbie Corvette EV, made in Malaysia, 2022 Mattel. Let's put it back here, and next to it will be, why do I put it like that? Yeah, there you go. Now next car would be the 2024 GMC Hummer EV, which actually, let me just say this is actually a new casting. Even though you may have seen me review it last year in yellow, in white, and soon to be green, if I'm not mistaken. Soon to be green, and there might be a red version coming out this year as well, but which I'm not going to review, as that's a red edition. Why I mentioned that this is a new casting is because it is actually quite different. Now, if you read from the card, it actually says 2024 GMC Hummer EV, whereas if you read the card from the white, green, and yellow version, it would mention GMC Hummer EV without the year. So that means that's more to the early concept of the model, I would say, something like that, something sort of like that. Now, what that means is that's not actually the production version. This is actually the production version, as it says 2024 GMC Hummer EV, so that is quite an extra fact, to be honest. Now, the key differences between the GMC Hummer EV that we have, the white and yellow version compared to this one, is it doesn't have the two rear passenger panels for the roof, for the plastic transparent roof. And the other thing is the bed isn't covered. That means, okay, let me just show you right now. This rear bed part right here is actually exposed, so that means it's not actually covered on the regular GMC Hummer EV model. Instead, it's covered on the 2024 GMC Hummer EV for the Barbie Corvette. I mean the Barbie movie, sorry. And it doesn't really have the transparent panels on the roof. So, interesting fact about that. Now, here is the side of the car. So it does have sort of like these Thunderstrike Thunderstrike sort of like livery on the side, which yeah, I'm quite a fan of. It does have some white and blue accents on the side for the car. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention this whole car is in matte gray, which is pretty nice. And I forgot to mention this car is actually driven by Ken in the movie, and the Barbie Corvette EV, obviously, you know, driven by Barbie, obviously Margot Robbie in the movie, just for extra information. So you do have more of like the plastic side steps on the cars as well. The wheel arch are also plastic, as you can see. The accents, you have these big off-road wheels, which I forgot the name of, but still they kind of work. The front kind of looks similar to the regular Hummer EV that you normally see from Hot Wheels. You have the front headlights, and also it says Hummer right there. And other than that, the hood similar, probably similar. Windshield, similar as well, if I'm not mistaken. Plastic and transparent. Now the roof has the change where, like I mentioned, it actually has all 4 panels removed. All 4 panels, if it's in real life, that means all 4 glass panels, whereas this one maybe plastic panels, I'm not sure. But yeah, all 4 are empty, so yeah, you can see the inside clearly now. And black interior, just to mention that. Here is the other side, if you are wondering. There you go. Moving on to the back, you do have some vertical rear lights, which have some red and white accents as well, which is pretty cool. It says Hummer right there. And yeah, basically the flatbed, the bed, like I said, is actually covered. So I'm not entirely sure why did they cover it. I'm not sure whether it is in the movie or not. Just if you're wondering, this back part right here as well, the cover is also in metal, just the same as the whole body. Any matte gray part on the whole body is basically metal, if you're wondering. And yeah, overall not too bad. Wait a minute, are these like exhaust? No, right? I don't think so. This should not be exhaust because it is an EV, so I don't think so. So 2024 GMC Hummer EV, 2022 Mattel and made in Malaysia. Overall, oh yeah, I forgot to mention, plastic, gray base as well. Overall, 2 great looking cars from the Barbie movie. Now, those who haven't watched the Barbie movie, I would suggest you to go watch it now before maybe it goes away, or maybe you can watch it when it comes out in something like Netflix or something like that. If you haven't watched it yet, then go ahead and watch it. And yeah, overall quite great looking cars. I think there will be more colors for this one, especially this one. I'm highly expecting more colors. In fact, they've already teased that they will release a light blue version, I believe in the Q case of 1993, and soon to be a gray version, I would suppose, for the Ken version. I would say for the Ken version, like I said just now, maybe in 2024's B case or C case, I'm not sure. But yeah, overall quite good cars compared to the other old Barbie cars like we had previously. Pretty nice, pretty awesome. I do like the fact that they've collabed with Barbie, especially when it's easy because it's under the same company, so they could just do whatever they want and basically just collaborate with them easily. So, well, both can take the money, and basically every single people on this planet would be happy and be able to collect this Barbie castings, especially the girls, basically, because they watch the Barbie movie, they want the cars from the Barbie movie, they want the dolls, they want the cars, they want everything from the Barbie movie. So Mattel got a lot of money out of that because, well, almost every single person on this earth are looking for this 2 cars. But not really more to the GMC, they were more looking for the Corvette, which is highly expected because yes, it is pink. So yeah, props to them, props to Mattel for doing the Barbie Corvette EV as well as the Ken's GMC Hummer EV. Overall, sick cars. Love to see these come out more in different colors. Once again, I'd like to say thank you guys for watching. See my other videos. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you soon. Bye bye.